This is a demonstration of what's new in DirectCode version 5. DirectCode now fully supports panels, tab panels, and group box objects. And to demonstrate this, we'll use a group box here. Now, the group box is what I call a container object because it contains the objects inside of it, obviously. I'll demonstrate a little layout that lets a theoretical rental car company select cars from an interface. And I'll show you all the shortcut keys that make the creation of this kind of a layout fast and easy. So right now we have one object in here, and if we press F4, we are setting the insertion point, and it's indicated over here, and we're locked onto it. So now any other objects that we add to our interface are in relation to this object that's in the insertion point. So we'll add some radio buttons. Let's do a full-size vehicle, economy vehicle, and a compact vehicle. This is just a reference object. We can get rid of it. So we just get Control Shift minus, and it gets rid of an object on our interface. And we'll also create a model group box. So let's go here. And we'll do the same thing. We'll select this as our insertion point, locked onto it. And we'll put some radio buttons in there. We'll say Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen. And we'll get rid of that object that doesn't need to be in there any longer. And we're going to take these two radio group boxes, and we're going to put them also in a panel. So we'll just stick that in there. We'll move the panel to the beginning of our layout, just so we can see what we're doing. Another shortcut key, Control Shift and up arrow key. And then we're going to, again, make this button our insertion point, and we're going to move these two group box panels into our main panel. We'll get rid of this object, and we'll move this down here. So now we have a kind of an interface to pick a model and size of a car. And let's add a tab panel now, because this unusual car company always rents cars in threes. And we'll go through here. We'll modify the tab panels in this. Okay, so now we have that. Now we want to move these panels of selectors into our tab panel. So again, we'll just let's select this one. Now this is a F3 button. It selects insertion point for only one insertion. So now we're going to take this panel and we're going to copy it with a Control Shift star, and it's copied into our tab panel now. We can get rid of this extraneous objects. Car 2, we'll do the same thing. We'll select it, and we will copy it into car 2 and get rid of this extraneous object. And car 3 will do the same thing, but slightly different. We're going to actually move it instead of copying it, so that it cleans up our interface, moves it in there, and we're ready to use our interface. Now we can do a selection of car 1, car 2, Toyota Economy, and car 3, Ford full size. One other improvement in version 5 of DirectCode is dealing with the source code that's being generated by the interface. And in this case, it's not terrible, but it's not that great. So now we have a Prettyfire in here, Prettyfy vid code, and it fixes up all the code so that it's easy to read and understand, and modify them if you wish by hand. So that's what's all new in Direct Code version 5.